Good morning. Are you tired of feeling sluggish after breakfast or reaching for coffee by 10 a.m.? Today, we're exploring 7 breakfast foods that doctors consistently recommend for optimal health and sustained energy. These science-backed superfoods can transform your metabolism and keep you energized for hours. I'll show you exactly how to incorporate each food into quick breakfast combinations that take less than 10 minutes to prepare. Let's dive in. 1. Oatmeal, the heart-healthy champion. Why doctors love it. Oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that actively lowers LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10%. The FDA allows oat products to claim they reduce heart disease risk. Just 3 grams daily makes a significant difference, and 1 bowl provides about half that amount. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index of 55 compared to white bread's 75, releasing energy slowly and preventing mid-morning crashes. The complex carbohydrates provide steady brain fuel, while fiber keeps you satisfied for 3-4 hours. Quick morning preparations. Overnight oats. Mix oats with milk, add berries. Refrigerate overnight. Grab and go. Microwave quickie. Combine oats with liquid. Microwave 2 minutes. Top with fruit. Stovetop classic 5 minutes cooking with cinnamon and banana. Savory option. Cook with vegetable broth. Top with fried egg and avocado. Pro tip: choose steel-cut or rolled oats over instant varieties for maximum nutrition. 2. Eggs, nature's perfect protein. Why doctors love it. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in perfect proportions, the gold standard for protein quality. This complete protein builds muscle while triggering satiety hormones that keep you satisfied for hours. They're one of the richest sources of choline, providing 147 million per egg, nearly 30% of daily needs. Choline produces acetylcholine, crucial for memory and learning. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect against macular degeneration by up to 40%. Despite decades of cholesterol fears, research shows eggs improve cholesterol profiles by raising HDL good cholesterol. Quick morning preparations. Scrambled express whisk eggs. Cook 2 minutes while stirring. Add spinach for nutrition. Hard-boiled prep: boil dozen eggs Sunday. Refrigerate for week-long protein. Veggie omelet. Beat eggs, add vegetables, fold ready in 4 minutes. Egg muffins. Bake with vegetables in muffin tins for portable bites. Pro tip: keep the yolk, it contains most nutrients. 3. Greek yogurt, the probiotic powerhouse. Why doctors love it. Greek yogurt delivers double the protein of regular yogurt, 15-20 grams per serving, maintaining stable blood sugar and controlling hunger for hours. Probiotics support gut health, linked to immune function and mental health through the gut-brain connection. A healthy microbiome improves digestion, reduces inflammation, and boosts mood. It's rich in calcium for bone health and B vitamins for energy metabolism. The straining process removes excess sugar while concentrating nutrients. Quick morning preparations. Parfait power layer with berries and granola in jars. Make several for the week. Smoothie base blend with frozen fruit for creamy, protein-rich drinks. Savory option: top with cucumber and herbs for Mediterranean style. Protein bowl mix with nuts, seeds, and honey for sustained energy. Pro tip: choose plain, unsweetened varieties. Sweeten naturally with fruit. 4. Berries, nature's antioxidant bombs. Why doctors love it. Berries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants, providing vibrant colors and incredible health benefits. These compounds fight inflammation, protect against heart disease, and prevent cognitive decline. Studies show regular berry consumption improves memory function and slows cognitive aging. Despite natural sweetness, berries have low glycemic index, maintaining steady energy levels. They're high in vitamin C for immune support and fiber for digestive health. Quick morning preparations. Fresh, simple wash and eat with other breakfast foods. Frozen convenience. Keep frozen for smoothies or quick thawing. Berry compote. Simmer frozen berries 3 minutes for jam-like topping. Mix and match combine varieties with yogurt or oatmeal for flavor variety. Pro tip: frozen berries are equally nutritious and more affordable. 5. Nuts, the healthy fat champions. Why doctors love it. Nuts provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber for sustained energy. Without blood sugar spikes, they contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, supporting heart and brain health. Walnuts offer omega-3 fatty acids, reducing inflammation. Almonds provide vitamin E, protecting cells from damage. The protein and fats slow digestion, maintaining fullness and preventing overeating. Regular nut consumption correlates with lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Quick morning preparations. Trail mix combined with dried fruit for portable additions. Nut butter toast spread on whole grain bread with banana slices. Chopped toppings sprinkle on yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal. Homemade granola mix with oats and honey. Bake 15 minutes. Pro tip: 1 ounce small handful is the perfect serving size. 6. Whole grain bread. The sustained energy source. Why doctors love it. Whole grain bread retains all grain parts, providing fiber, B vitamins, iron, and essential nutrients. Unlike refined bread, fiber slows digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes and energy crashes. Whole grains contain prebiotics feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Regular consumption reduces heart disease, diabetes, and cancer risks. B vitamins support energy metabolism and nervous system function. Quick morning preparations. Avocado toast top with mashed avocado, salt, and red pepper flakes. Nut butter classic spread almond butter, add strawberry slices. Egg sandwich layer, scrambled eggs and spinach for protein boost. Sweet option top with Greek yogurt and berries for open-faced treat. Pro tip: look for 3 grams fiber per slice with whole grains as first ingredient. 7. Avocado, the creamy superfruit. Why doctors love it. Avocados contain primarily monounsaturated fats rather than carbohydrates. These healthy fats support heart health, reduce inflammation, and enhance fat-soluble vitamin absorption. 1 avocado provides 20 vitamins and minerals, including more potassium than bananas, plus folate, vitamin K, and vitamin E. Fiber supports digestion and blood sugar stability. Research shows avocados increase carotenoid absorption from other foods by 3 or 5 times, making other healthy foods more nutritious. Quick morning preparations. Classic toast mash with salt and lemon, spread on whole grain bread. Smoothie creaminess. Add half avocado for texture and healthy fats. Egg bowl slice over scrambled eggs with salsa for Mexican flavor. Quick guacamole mash with lime, salt, and tomatoes for fresh topping. Pro tip: buy at different ripeness stages for continuous availability. Powerful breakfast combinations. The ultimate bowl: Greek yogurt base with mixed berries, chopped nuts, and honey drizzle. Add whole grain toast on the side. The protein powerhouse: scrambled eggs with sliced avocado on whole grain toast, sprinkled with everything bagel seasoning. The fiber champion: overnight oats mixed with berries, chopped nuts, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. The quick fix smoothie with Greek yogurt, frozen berries, half avocado, and almond butter for creamy texture. Common breakfast mistakes to avoid. The sugar trap. Many healthy breakfast foods contain 15-20 grams of added sugar. Always choose unsweetened varieties. Skipping protein breakfast without 15-25 grams of protein leads to blood sugar crashes and afternoon cravings. Liquid calories: fruit juices and fancy coffee drinks pack 300-500 calories with minimal nutrition. Final tips for success. Prep ahead. Spend 20 minutes Sunday preparing weekly portions. Mix and match. Combine 2 to 3 foods for balanced nutrition. Listen to your body. Adjust portions based on hunger and activity levels. Start small. Add 1 new food this week, then gradually incorporate more. The best breakfast is one you'll eat consistently. These doctor-recommended superfoods provide sustained energy, better mood, and improved health when you start each day with proper nutrition. Which combination will you try tomorrow morning? Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition tips that transform your health 1 meal at a time.